Hi, I'm Brooke here at York PMH. Welcome. Today I'm going to be taking you on a quick tour of our business. I'm going to take you through each step of the manufacturing process here at York PMH. The first step you'll see is customer need. Here you will witness us meeting our customers to suit their specific needs. The next step is concept. During concept, we generate an idea of how we are going to meet the proper criteria and constraints for our customer needs. The York PMH patent bear lock system is a key component to most designs.
So what you see here is a bear lock, and it's a very unique device.
Bear lock has a unique patent design based on the principle of elastic expansion of metal under pressure. It is simpler, more efficient, and more reliable than any other available locking system. Next step is prototype. Once the customer's needs have been identified and the concept approved, a prototype is created and tested.
Using these models allows us to explain to the customer how the bear lock functions, how it can be integrated into their products, and how it might better serve them, as well as display different features that we can put on the bear lock units.
Step 4 is the manufacturing process. Here the individual products are created from raw material to usable part.
Vertical milling machine, meaning the Z-axis goes up and down. This also does have a rotary table on it that can spin the part in this direction, so you can clamp on by a tiny bit and go up and turn it to be able to do other.
The last step is delivery. Here the newly created products are sent to the happy customers. So what we really want to know is what's so cool about manufacturing.
You get a big group of people, everyone has something they're really, really good at. And when you get a bunch of people that are really, really good at a bunch of different things, coming together as a team and working through problems and growing.
When you watch something be created from a rod, a steel rod, and all of a sudden you have a functional hydraulic cylinder.
I think manufacturing is cool because it's different every day. We never do the same thing, and we're constantly getting challenged on new parts.
It's a really neat process to see the parts go from raw form to their final shape.
I really enjoy coming in every day and being able to look at something from a different angle, solve a problem.
We hope you enjoyed this look at manufacturing at York Precision Machining and Hydraulics. I'm Brooke the Bear, and I'm glad to share what's so cool about manufacturing.